Understanding, wiped from my memory. A deep dive. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, wiped from my memory. This expression is quite common, but what does it actually mean? And how can you use it in your daily conversations? Let's dive into the world of memories and language to uncover the secrets of this intriguing phrase. Stay tuned to enhance your English vocabulary and understanding. The phrase, wiped from my memory, is used to describe a situation where someone has completely forgotten something. It's as if the memory has been erased, just like wiping a mark off a board. This expression vividly captures the idea of forgetting something so thoroughly that it's as though it never existed in your mind in the first place. It's important to note that this is usually not about ordinary forgetfulness but refers to an almost total erasure of specific memories. To help you understand how to use wiped from my memory in context, let's look at some examples. The trauma was so intense that the event was completely wiped from my memory. I've seen that movie before, but the plot is wiped from my memory. Can you remind me of your name? Our last meeting seems to have been wiped from my memory. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from serious situations involving trauma to more everyday occurrences like forgetting a movie plot or a person's name. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can help you expand your vocabulary and express the same idea in different ways. Some synonyms for wiped from my memory include slipped my mind, forgotten completely, erased from my consciousness, drawn a blank. Each of these expressions can be used in similar contexts but might carry slight nuances in meaning or formality. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, wiped from my memory. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this expression, enriching your English language skills. Remember, language is a window to understanding human experiences, including the fascinating aspects of memory and forgetfulness. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use wiped from my memory in your conversations to describe those moments when something has completely left your mind. See you in our next video.